The people were astonished at his teaching, for he taught them as one having authority. Stop, don't scroll. Today's gospel shows us Jesus teaching with authority, not loud, not dramatic, just truth that moves hearts. When Jesus speaks, lives change. Darkness leaves, hope returns. And today, the church rejoices because his word is alive, still powerful, still freeing souls today. Through Jesus with Mama Mary, listen, trust, and follow. Follow for daily Catholic prayers and spiritual protection.